Today, I'll be reviewing the Super Clamp by Impact. This is an alternative version to the more expensive Manfrotto brand without breaking the bank. So, if you're in a line of field where this clamp could be useful, then this video is for you. In full disclosure, this video is not sponsored and the review you're about to see is based on my experience with the product. Now, let's get to the video. Right off the bat, the clamp feels heavy in the hand, well built and solid. According to the packaging, it is made of heavy-duty alloy construction, meaning that it's made of different type of metals. The ratchet handle allows free repositioning. It has a reversible and removable spigot or stud, which can be used for lights and or any other devices or accessories with the same type of configuration. It has grip pads to protect the surface you're going to use it on. It is versatile. It supports different poles or stands and flat surfaces up to 2.5 inches thick. Anything over that, in my opinion, is a safety risk. It also comes with this adapter for flat surfaces. For the spigot or metal stud, unscrew the knob on the side of the clamp until there is clearance in the opening for the spigot to fit in. Hold the metal button down and insert the spigot. Now, turn the knob on the side to secure the spigot. This will prevent it from moving or becoming loose. If you don't want to use the spigot, the clamp has 3 different screw size input for any adapters or accessories with those specific screw sizes. In terms of the price, it was around $25 US a while back, so shop around to compare prices where you get your products from. The only cons I could see is that the Super Clamp might be too bulky for certain projects and it could be a little heavy to carrying it around, although it is perfect for stationary services. All in all, I think the Super Clamp will do the job as the Manfrotto would, but for less money. Some people might question the quality or performance of this clamp, but as for me, it was worth it. I've been using it for about 6 months and it's still going strong. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and be well.